Yo guys, happy bonfire night. I was just trying to record this and let me just take you to my room. I was just trying to record this video. I don't think you guys saw that, but I definitely saw it. Yeah. You guys probably can't see anything. You probably see some houses. Oh guys, I think I just missed that. Oh no. It's alright anyway. There's the moon. Let me just show you what. I was just trying to do this. Make sure you subscribe to Zach. Am I stupid? Guys, I'm stupid. God's sake! Where are they coming from? I don't see it. Oh, they're coming from my street, so I can't see them. Sorry, guys. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to Zach, Vanos Gaming. I just tried to put some on this, but like it didn't work, and it might got copyrighted. Make sure you subscribe to Dakota Shuts, Josh Bryce, Leo Spencer, Cody Farn, whatever you say his name is, Tempest, Fireworks! My mum doesn't really care about me doing this. Yeah. I'm just playing some of this. I'm gonna play some after this video. I'm in a clan. Yeah. Subscribe to Terrorizer. And last one. Party Cities. This is the main one. I just uploaded that. Yeah. And that's his channel, he does scooter videos. And I saw him. So, happy bonfire night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.